Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to download and install the Snapchat on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer or laptop. Let's jump straight into it guys. Go to search menu and type store store, and here comes Microsoft Store. Open it. Click on search menu and type snap snapchat Snapchat. Press enter. Here comes Snapchat 4.4 point rating. Here option is free guys, just click on it and click on get option over here. It will installing. Download and install guys, let's wait for it. Downloading. After downloaded, click on open guys. Now here we go guys, you can use Snapchat in laptop or PC whatever. Accept this app to pin taskbar pin to start. You can able to start bar here will pinned out over there, and start menu you can pin it guys, and create desktop shortcut and auto start on device login. Startup tab will open it. I don't use this, that's why I'm not using it. Click don't allow. If you are using that, click allow guys, and now you go ahead and log in it and click on verify and puzzle it, and that's it. Here we go guys. That's it guys. I hope this tutorial definitely helpful guys. I hope this tutorial definitely work for you guys. Thank you so much for watching my video. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you so much.